What's good, people? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do these sick match transitions. This method works on any software and it's so quick and easy to do. So all three of these transitions I made in one click and you can do the same. Make sure to stick to the end because I've got a nice little surprise for you. But no more talk, let's get straight into it. Alright guys, for match transition number 1, these are the 2 clips we're going to be using. So in order to achieve those match transitions, I'm going to be utilizing the Dynamic Duo bundle from undercam.com. Simply open it up, open both packs inside, and you can see we got a lot to work with. I'm just going to choose one random though. So I'm going to be using one of the mashups, Whipper's Match Cut. Simply drag and drop it in. My timeline is 1080p instead of 4K, so I just got half the scale, and you can see this is what we've got in one click. Looks pretty cool to me, but I still think it needs a bit of adjusting. Just about where it starts to enter, I'm going to drag this clip a little bit to the side so it has that nice pull-in effect. And after adjusting it slightly, this is my final result. Looks pretty cool. So if you want to switch it up a little bit, be my guest. What you can do is go onto the Whipper's Match Cut, right click it, and then go onto speed duration and change it to reverse speed. Now that's the Premiere Pro way, yeah? Whatever software you're in, DaVinci, Final Cut, CapCut, just reverse it and you'll have a completely different effect, which I think looks pretty cool as well. But in my opinion, I prefer it non-reverse, just normal. Just like that. Looks fine to me, man. I'm happy with that. Alright, cool. So these are the 2 clips we're going to be using for match transition number 2. Same process really, guys. Just go back into your Dynamic Duo folder and you can choose either one of the packs. In my opinion, a nice mix of both really helps, which we will be doing in match transition number 3. But for this one, I'm just going to be using the match transitions pack by itself. One thing that will help you is matching the theme of your clips. In my case, I got jewelry, red leather seats, and more jewelry and watches, yeah? So I'm going to go with a watch, okay? We've got quite a few different ones here. So I'm going to drop in one of my favorites, the AP Match Cut. Sorry for my voice, the hay fever's absolutely getting to me. Get to the effect controls, and if you're on a 1080p comp, put it down to 50, but if you're in a 4K comp, you won't have this issue. Just use it like normal. And as you can see, after I drag and drop it in, this is what I've got. It's a bit too long for me, but there's one good feature about this pack. Because all the match cuts are quite cohesive, you can simply cut each end off, kind of delete the little gaps in the inside, and you can make a shorter version that still kind of transitions quite nicely. You can see now it has a nice pull-in effect without it looking like too jagged or anything, which I think looks really cool. And after I position it a bit better, this is what I've got. One more time. Looks pretty cool. It's whenever your client wants that extra touch on their music videos, but you don't want to waste too much time doing it yourself. You can simply just drag and drop any of these together, maybe mix and match them as well if you're feeling like it, and that's the problem solved. It's as simple as that. But anyways, on to match transition number 3, the final one. Ever since I made this bundle, it's not only impressed my clients, it saved me hours and hours of time I'd usually waste building these effects from scratch. Head to the top link in the description if you want to go check it out. But a massive update is on the way and the price will be rising. So before that, I wanted to give you guys a limited time deal. You're already getting 50% off the entire bundle, but now use the code DUO5 and get an extra $5 off on me. What that means is you're getting everything inside that bundle for the price of one of the packs inside. So the very first one I'm going to drag in is the Benji Liz Match Cut from the Match Cuts pack. And then you can see it looks pretty cool once we scale it down to our comp size. So I'm just going to cut it down to the length of these 2 clips right here, just like this. So next thing I'm going to do is go have a look through the match cuts and find another part of the money side of things that I like. In my case, I'm liking the look of this one right here. Benji Match Cut number 2. Again, I'm just matching everything together to give it a really chaotic look. That's what I'm going for. So maybe if I start off like this, I think that looks all right. Then I'm going to go back into the same match cuts pack and find one of the Lizzie match cuts. Again, we've got quite a few cool different ones to choose from, but I'm going to keep it on like the tealish and green look from one of these and stick with the Lizzie match cut number 2. So match cuts is out the way. Now into the match transitions pack. Again, we're on the money side of things, so I'm just going to take a look for them. So we've got this Benji match cut right here. I'm quite liking the look of that, and it kind of blends into this one right here. So just going to drag and drop it in. I've said it a lot, but yeah, I'm on a 1080p comp, so that's why I'm scaling everything down. But this is what I've got right here. Again, it's all blending together really nicely. Now onto the final part, I need one more match transition, yeah? So I'm going to look for one of the Lizzie ones if I can find it real quick. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? This one right here, the alt transition. Okay. Looks pretty cool to me. I don't mind if it's slightly blue purplish. I don't mind, it still looks quite cool to me. Then I'm going to drag and drop this in same way, and this is what I've got right here. Okay guys, so that's match transition number 3. It's pretty experimental, hectic for sure as well. Has that nice moneyish look blending between UK and US. Everyone who's copped the bundle is loving it, and they're absolutely crushing their edits. So be sure to go check it out at the top link in the description to find out more. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Love.